Why Trackzilla? BZI was facing greater constraints in the construction industry. Buildings were getting taller, we needed to lift heavier sections, so we wanted to leverage a great relationship we had with Don Ahern and his team to develop this revolutionary project.
To maneuver these types of loads at these types of heights, you are immediately looking at a crane. Then it becomes a lot of setup. Every time you have to move the crane, it slows the progress of production when building these large buildings.
We were maxing out the capacity and the height that Xtreme had to offer, so we needed something new.
Something that was bigger, badder, and more maneuverable than anything on the market.
So Trackzilla essentially started with two things: a great relationship with Xtreme and Don Ahern, and a drawing on a napkin. James shared that idea with several of the team members, and from there grew more specs, more ideas.
And we took that original concept to Xtreme and said, hey, this is what we think it might look like.
And then we would go into the design phase of how can we package all those parts together.
We could actually build a machine that's nimble, that could just rip up this job. We don't even need cranes anymore. And we could do it safer, faster, and just kill it.
And it kind of grew and morphed into design meetings every month.
Working together with us on weekly phone calls and monthly face-to-face meetings.
We've been able to make a machine that can lift higher, heavier weight with more mobility than anything in the industry.
And I felt a giant sense of accomplishment. All the blood and sweat and tears, the hard work that went into doing that, all paid off.
When people see Trackzilla for the first time, what they see is the impossible. They're taking pictures, they're taking selfies with it.
Working with Don Ahern and his team at Xtreme, I mean, we're dealing with some of the best in the business.
The most exciting thing that I've ever done in my life. This was a total winner.